Your unique story, our global audience. Global One Media.
Hello, and welcome to our series of interviews with decision makers and senior leaders of companies across the board to help you, our viewers, make informed and intelligent investment decisions. I am Munir Barazi, your business analyst and host, and today I am pleased to welcome Dr. Trevor Boyd, the Vice President of Exploration at Canadian North Resources, or CNRI, an exploration company that focuses on important properties in Canada, such as the Ferguson Lake Project. CNRI is listed on the TSX Venture Exchange as CNRI and on the FSX as EO0. Hello, Dr. Trevor. Thank you so much for joining us today.
Well, thank you for having me.
So you've recently announced new and exciting results from your exploration program at the Ferguson Lake Project. Congratulations. Could you please walk us through the highlights?
Yes, I can do that. In essential, the results, this news release basically announces the remaining 40 holes that were drilled in the late summer and fall of 2022, and it which constitutes about 10,550 meters. The results are exciting because they further show the exciting potential of the mineral prospect, which is now an advanced project, of course. In essentially, they all 40 holes consistently intersected the mineralized zone at least 2 meters, with results of up to 21 meters at 1.11% copper, 0.72% nickel, 0.09% cobalt, 1.25 grams per ton palladium, 0.15 grams per ton platinum, and plus some rhodium values, and all at a very shallow depth. Well, so that's pretty much how exciting it is. But the more exciting aspect is that we have successfully extended the mineral zone both to the east and west by a significant degree.
Excellent. And could you elaborate on this expansion of the mineralization zone a bit, please?
Yes, in short, the a series of step-out holes, in particular one which extended the east zone 800 meters further to the east at a very shallow depth with comparable mineralized intersections. And as well, even in some ways more exciting is the step-out holes to the west of only 50 to 100 meters, but these were very, very good intersections of like 22 meters of 0.6% copper, nickel, and good platinum PTE grades. So most of these holes were very shallow depths, and have extended the open pit potential of the body. What is particularly exciting is that we've also extended the mineralized horizon at depth as well, and as well reconnaissance holes of satellite mineralized horizon have returned comparable results. Exciting results, indicating that they in themselves have potential for defining new mineral resources. So, in summary, we have extended the mineralized zone. When you include all the drilling that was completed to date by CNRI, we've extended the mineralized zone less than 150 meters of up to 1.5 kilometers.
Excellent. And those are positive results at shallow depth. Is there or will there be an update to the resource estimate for the Ferguson Lake project soon?
We are basically inputting these results into our model internally, and the plan is to complete another 20,000 meters this year, starting in March. And then once those 20,000 meters are completed and results are back, we will be basically updating our mineral resource to be announced at the end of 2022.
Sounds very promising. And are there other milestones for the Ferguson Lake project?
Yes, we will be starting a pre-feasibility work in 2023, including a multi-tier restart of our metallurgical testing of various different domains, mineralized domains that make up the deposit, as well as starting environmental community consultation. Well, we'll be continuing community consultation, and as well as engineering studies at the end of 2023.
So the project is moving forward steadily. And what do all of those updates mean to CNRI's shareholders?
What they mean is that we have, in the past 2 years, significantly increased the value of the project, or the value of the shares of the body, in terms of what we've put into it. In particular, we have these drilling results of 2022 have significantly increased the value of the potential size of the mineral deposit, of the mineral resource, which was filed in July 2022. So these new results are all above and beyond what was filed in July 2022, and that is the most important point.
Absolutely. And those results are a continuation of the previous, also positive results from the previous steps in your drilling program, which is...
That's correct. Exactly. They confirm and expand the potential resource, both along strike, in both to the east and west, at shallow depths, basically enhancing the open pit potential of the body. They also raise the confidence in the resource to indicate it in a number of locations, and they also show the blue sky potential at depth, expanding at depth, and as well as with these satellite horizons, these new satellite horizons which we are defining.
Very encouraging. Dr. Trevor Boyd, the Vice President of Exploration at CNRI, thank you so much for joining us today and sharing those updates. We look forward to hearing more updates from CNRI soon.
Thank you very much for having me and having the patience to listen.